Today I have a very simple video for you. I'm going to show you how you change the key fob on a Jag Xjl. My wife walked up to the car the other day, opened the door, opened kind of slow. When she got in, it said key fob battery low. So I'm going to show you just how easy it is to change this. Shouldn't take more than 15 seconds. Let's check it out. First step is go get your battery. This is the Jaguar Xjl 2032. You need the 2032. I don't really think it matters what brand, just the brand I got. Then you take your key fob. On one side it's smooth, on the other side you'll see two buttons. Press this button and it pops up. Then you simply grab the side, slide it out, and there's your battery. You don't want to touch the side that connects to the key fob. You don't want to touch that with your fingerprints. Take the battery out, put the new one back in, slide it in, click it in place, and you're done. You know, there's one more surprise that is hiding in your key fob. Okay, so let me come in close so you can see this. When you press that button again and you open it, if you rotate it and look, right here is a key. Take this key out, if I can get it out. You take this key out, and this key can be used to unlock the driver's door. Let's go take a look. Once you have your little key, there's this little slot. You simply push this in here and you pop this little slot off. Now, this key goes into, and you just turn it and you open the door. Now, that might be new to some of you, or some of you might have forgot how to do it, but you know how the key works. Then when you get done, you just put your cover back up. Probably didn't know that, huh? Now you see just how easy it is to change your battery, and if for whatever reason you wait too long and the battery dies, you know how to get in your car. This is probably the shortest video I've ever made, and I really wasn't gonna make it, but my wife didn't know how to do it, so I said maybe there's someone else out there don't know how to do it either, so I put it together. Oh, there you go. That's just how easy it is to change the remote. That's just how easy it is to change the battery. That's just how easy it is to get into your car if the battery ever dies. So, as usual, I appreciate your time. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. I'll be sure to get back at you. Now I can drive her again.